on the left hand side, 1995.
That's really pretty.
betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. You and one or two loved ones. Kindly watch your step as you board, please. We spirits haunt our best in gloomy darkness, so remember, no flash pictures, please.
We have been unavoidably detained by cranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour.
Down on the safety bar, please. I will no report. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for it, swinging and waiting. They'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
Now don't close your eyes and don't try to hide or silly spook. Wasted by your side. Shroud within a dark disguise. They pretend to terrorize. Bring your flowers alive.
They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit to your left by stepping away from the cars with your left foot first. Step up and stand on the platform.
That was too good.
Be sure to bring the death
Ha 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 ha!
Madame Leota for $199.
That's pretty dope. It talks? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Frightful faceplate is removed.
It is pretty sick.
And it's also the one up there without the crystal ball.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.